Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView for backtesting. First, understand that backtesting is crucial for validating any trading strategy before you risk real capital. It allows you to test your ideas against historical market data, providing insights into potential profitability and risk. This process helps you identify flaws and strengths in your approach, leading to more informed decisions. To begin, navigate to the Pine editor within TradingView. Here, you'll write or paste your strategy's code, defining precise entry and exit rules. Clearly outline your conditions for buying and selling, along with any stop loss or take profit levels. Remember to specify your order types and how position sizing will be handled for accurate simulation. Once your strategy is coded, add it to your desired chart. Next, open the Strategy Tester panel. This is where you'll configure the backtest by selecting appropriate timeframes and specific date ranges for historical data. After running the test, carefully review the performance metrics provided, such as net profit, drawdown, and the number of trades. Analyzing the results is key. Pay close attention to metrics like total profit, maximum drawdown, and the win rate to understand your strategy's effectiveness. Identify any periods of underperformance or excessive risk. Use these insights to iterate and refine your strategy, making adjustments to improve its robustness and overall performance before considering live deployment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.